Hello, I'm Sam Renborg. My father, Carl Renborg, pioneered the field of food supplementation in 1934. He developed and introduced to the U.S. marketplace the first multivitamin, multimineral product of its kind. And now, 70 years later, we are the world's leading brand of vitamins, minerals, and dietary supplements in tablet capsule form. And as important as our history is, it's the future that still holds the greatest excitement. I'm pleased to report that Nutrilite now owns and operates 4 organic farms. There are nearly 100 scientists dedicated solely to the Nutrilite brand. In fact, consider this: up to 6 billion tablets and capsules are sold every year. Millions of people in more than 50 countries use Nutrilite products every day. And as you probably know, every Nutrilite product is formulated utilizing the best of nature and the best of science. From one man and his lifelong quest to discover the nutrients in nature to becoming one of the most popular branded vitamin and mineral products in the world today. Yes, it's a great accomplishment, but I'd like to think we're still just getting started. So together we can say happy 70th anniversary to the Nutrilite brand, because thanks to people like you from all parts of the world, the future looks even brighter than it ever did before.